To tell you more about our project, we created a video game.
Good.
Hey Simon, have you played that new game, Swimming Salmon, yet?
No, I haven't heard of it.
Well, do you want to play it now? All you have to do is try and avoid the gray things, which are plastic microfibers, and try and get the black things, which are food. Let's play.
This is Simon's game.
Oh no, your fish is eating all the microfibers. Game over, you died. You ate all the microfibers and your body starved itself to death. Try again.
Here, it's your turn now.
This is Bonnie's game.
Your fish is avoiding the microfibers. Congratulations, you completed the level. You've gotten all the real food and only one health point was lost. For level completion, you get a microfiber catcher to catch microfibers. This will help you as you move on. Keep it up.
Oh, bummer, I lost.
That's okay. After all, fish do prefer to eat synthetic microfibers, just like we want junk food.
I guess. But can you explain these microfiber things to me?
Sure thing. Let's watch a YouTube video on it.
What are microfibers?
Microfibers are pieces of plastic that come from synthetic clothing, like fleece jackets.
When do these microfibers come out?
Synthetic clothing shed microfibers with every wash.
How big are these microfibers? Their diameter is 3 to 60 microns, which is smaller than average human hair, so they're hard to capture. Who does it impact? Microfibers impact salmon and other aquatic animals and eventually impact humans. Where is this primarily seen? Microfibers impact all coastal areas. On this map, you can see the details. How does it impact salmon?
If fish eat them, their reproductive system can be harmed, or they starve to death because they feel full, even though they haven't eaten much food.
Plastic microfibers have been found in fish that humans eat, like salmon. Scientists are beginning to find them in other substances such as air, tap water, mineral water, and honey.
Well, that was really interesting. Has anyone done anything about it?
Well, it's such a new problem. Not much is being done about it. But there are some existing solutions, and there are pros and cons to all of them. Let's watch a quick YouTube video about that too. Rachel Miller, founder of the Rosalia product, developed a product called the microfiber catcher, which is something you put in your washing machine and it catches all the microfibers. It's small and easy to use, but it only catches 32% of the total microfibers.
Dumpy Friends is a bag that claims to remove 99% of microfibers, but it can only fit 4 to 5 clothes.
Plastic Souffleur claims that
Plastic Souffleur claims to have a microfiber filter made for washing machines, but it's only 99% effective. It's in prototype stage and needs routine cleanup based on usage.
also water treatment plants with a tertiary step in treatment can remove 100% of microfibers, but that is rare right now.
So this is not this. This is for
Because all the available solutions are aren't available to be used?
We designed a large microfiber catcher that is a hamper-like that can fit your entire laundry basket. We are considering working with clothing manufacturers to incentivize this product. Simply put your clothes in this bag. Then tie the string. Throw this whole bag into your washing machine.
Each bag is reusable and can be cleaned out. The cleaned out microfibers can be reused to make microfiber cleaning cloths. The estimated cost is approximately $90.
We hope to share a solution. We shared our solution with Rachel Miller. Anything that we put in the environment comes back to us, so we should refrain from putting junk in the environment. We expect people to help us free salmon and other fish. We are spreading our ideas on our website. If you want to know more about this problem, visit us at our website. Thank you.
Talk to my camera.
That was an awesome job, guys. Thank you. All right, next up,
Swap the
we
hits.
have peculiar people who are going to do their project for us as well.
Swap the hits now. Oh no, he's gonna call them off. He's gonna call them off. Just following them off. The thing is,
Hello and welcome to the Beef After. My name is Charlie Andrews and I'll be your host today.
Hi, my name is Evan Varlas and I'll be your co-host today.
We have 7 contestants.
On Team 1, we have Maddie, who is an educator on bees, Annalise, who is a student, and Robert, who is a scientist. And on Team 2, we have Evan L., who is our bee enthusiast, and we have Ethan, who is a beekeeper. We have Joseph, who is the CEO for Pesticides, and More Pesticides Incorporated. And we have Peter, who is another scientist.
All right, first question. What are the 3 biggest reasons that bees are dying?
That's way too busy. It's mites, habitat loss, and pesticides.
Pesticides don't kill bees.
Pesticides mix with the morning dew that collects, and when the pesticides that the bees drink gets inside their nervous system, it mixes up their brain and it makes them go haywire, and then they die soon after.
It has been proven that pesticides have killed many bees. Team 2 is correct.
Okay, next question. How many bees are lost in the United States per year?
That's way too busy. The answer is 30 to 50% of all bees are lost in the United States each year.
Correct. Team 2 gets the question.
True or false? Honeybees try to sting people.
True. My friends and I have been stung by bees at least 3 times. We do not like bees.
No, false. Honeybees only sting people when their hive is attacked. They could care less about humans.
Good answer, Maddie. Team 1 gets a point.
The next question is what type of mite kills the most honeybees?
The varroa mite is a blood-sucking pest that attacks bees. If a bee gets bit, it loses control of themselves and their digestive system shuts down. Many scientists across the country are working on getting rid of this mite.
Both of you are correct, so both teams get points.
The next question
is, what is the main difference between a honeybee and a yellow jacket?
A yellow jacket is more annoying.
No. Yellow jackets can only sting yellow jackets can sting more than once, but honeybees can only sting once, because once they sting, their stinger gets ripped out along with the rest of their organs.
What is a yellow jacket? And honeybees are always bad, right?
Honeybees are furrier, they don't want to sting you, and they only eat plant nectar.
On the other hand, yellow jackets are more frantic and likely to sting multiple times.
All of you are correct except Joseph and Annalise.
Next question. How are bees important to us?
Bees pollinate our food. If the bees died out, there will be less plants to provide us with all the food that we eat.
Actually, bees provide 1/3 of the food we eat.
Both of you are correct.
Our final questions are upon us. So, the next question is, what is one way that you can help bees in your community?
You can plant bee gardens. Bee gardens have flowers that have nectar that bees like. It is also a great way to learn about bees and their lifestyle.
My school's robotics team works with an architect who designed a bee garden for our school's property.
Annalise's school is doing a great job helping the bees. They have 4 beehives on school property, and they are planning on building a bee garden. The bee garden will give the bees food to eat, and it will educate the parents, students, teachers, and community about why bees are important to us.
Planting a garden with plants that are not invasive is very helpful. A bee garden with the plants listed in this brochure help bees out a lot. We have copies of this brochure for you available at our table in the very back corner if you would like one.
I like walking in gardens and think I can enjoy to see bees in a garden.
You are all right. So now, the final question is, what is one more way that you can help bees in your community?
You can make bee bombs.
Bee bombs are small round balls of compost, clay, and native seeds. They're easy to use, and you can plant flowers really easily.
What others have done is donated money and trees to help save the bees. From our research, education is the best way to help people learn more about how much bees do for us. Planting bee gardens, distributing and reading our brochure, and selling bee bombs to you all help out the bees who in turn help us.
All of you are correct.
Wow, I guess bees aren't terrible after all. You know what? I'm changing my company. Now it's Bees, and More Bees Incorporated.
That ends the Bee Factor. I hope that you have learned how bees are so important to us. Thank you.